In this video, we will introduce the FX7 unit's music sharing function. Music sharing. When two FX7 units are connected, press and hold Unit A function button for 3 seconds. Unit A will enter pairing mode, and you can pair it with the phone. Then, open the music player and press Unit A function button once to play music. Press Unit A's on OFF button once. The unit will announce the voice prompt, Music Sharing On, indicating that music sharing is successful. To pause the music sharing, press Unit A on Off button again. The unit will announce the voice prompt, Music Sharing OFF, and music sharing will be paused. That's the complete tutorial of the FX7 music sharing function. Thank you for watching.